Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And welcome back to my videos. Today I will make the weekly assignment for what check weekly assignment from Mr. Dedi. And now in now weekly assignment make the module for prepare exam CCNA, and then we will membahas in this module for preparation. In this I make the module from Cloud and Nation. Okay, now I will for the first in this the exam is membahas 20 exam. Okay, now for the first we will for OSI model in this engineer. What is in this for the soal? In this the answer for layer 7 for the application, because in this for pembahasan, because in layer 7 in this is for the HTTP, for HTML. So if we just not access for the website, but for the ping for the server, like in this for the layer 7. Okay, for the soal 2 for IP address and subnetting. What is host have to IP in this and the subnet mask? What is jumlah for host? Set 13 30, because in subnet mask 2020 22 in this subnet in this /prefix 27. Okay, nah in 27 in this for host 32. Nah, and 2 in the force network, and then what's broadcast. Okay, just host for 30. Okay, nah, and then for the soal 3 and switching for MAC address, a switch from device and MAC address and not MAC address table. What is the lakukan switch? Nah, in this for forwarding to all ports so why? Because unknown unicast forwarding switch mengirim to all port to not asal. Okay, nah and so for this VLAN to VLAN 20 to name HR for Cisco. What's in this switch? Nah, in this switch name HR, because if you langsung down this. Okay, nah, in this because if you config in Cisco for the CLI, we for the first make the VLAN like VLAN 20. If we enter to in this VLAN, we just name. Okay, for soal 5 routing for static route to jaringan set next hub. What's in this for this? Because for 4/8 visualization and then this. Okay. Because for this slash, not slash, just make using the what subnet mask. Okay. For 6, for the STP, for criteria, for the first, for lay root bridge, this like switch with bridge ID terendah. Okay. Nah, priority default for the for in this and MAC address certain priority terendah and MAC terendah. Okay. Nah, for soal 7, wait. Question. For question 7, for nilai default hello interval SPF and in where for hello for we hello to router A and B per second in this 10 second. Okay. Nah, in this broadcast 10 for hello. Okay, in that 14. Okay. For the question 8, ACL access list. For the standard ACL in this suite 2, yes. For yes, this to this for the two destination. Okay. Nih for standard terdekat destination extended ACL. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry in this don't for in this, but I will egg and question. I think I will in this. Okay. For question 9 for IGRP. Nah, for IGRP metric, what is this metric default? In this metric default, he use the bandwidth, delay, bandwidth and delay. In this for compression metric, what's for the rumus? Okay, like this. Okay, and then this notes for the ABC. Then we for question 10. Wait. Wait. Nah. Okay, we continue for question. For question this, what? For question 9 for net overload, pet characteristic, net. In this for pet host internal for one public for may use the ports berbeda, okay? And then for question 911, what's the for the long alamat IP versi 6 in this because for the IP versi 4 in this 2032 bit and in this 1 to 128, okay. Now for DHCP, what is for the process for DHCP ini? For the first discover and then offer for the and then request and check out for the singkat DORA, okay, DORA. Nah, and then DNS, what is DNS for the default? Ini for the default ini 53, okay. Okay, and for 13, okay, 12, 13 for GDP. What is this GDP? GDP in this is working the layer 2 for the protocol proprietary Cisco, okay. Nah, and then for 14 and for the wireless, what is the wireless in frequency in this for the frequency in this 5 gigahertz only, okay. Now for the 15 in this 15 in the subnetting okay. But subnet in this for to subnet to random just for if we for the bit 22, okay. Wait, I'm sorry. To for in for the subnet, okay. For in this 22 just penambahan, okay. For in this 16, what is information for the forwarding? In this destination, if we to forwarding or go to a destination in this for destination port or destination IP address, okay. For in this router, okay. In this finish for 18, for 10, I say what is why SSH is recommended? Because if we telnet in this not for traffic, if we SSH is can see all traffic, okay. Nah, and then 19 in this wait for the 19 for interfile routing ROS for method roundstick. In this roundstick in this for one interface physics in this heavy this to all VLAN, okay, for the trunking, okay, in this and then the last for 20 for port security. What is for port security? Nah, ini port security for this the answer. Nah, so for ACL from this switch, if we just one for what's just one for MAC address, okay. So we will enter to selain MAC address for this daftar don't connect like this, okay. In this for OSPF-DR for access DR and VDR, okay. I think enough for today for the what's question and make the video for weekly assignment. Thank you for watching in this. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.